In this video, we will describe what an event is in AgResult, or event types, and what are automatic charges. So in order to understand what automatic charges are, we need to first understand what event types are. So event types are things that the system understands. These aren't things that you can add manually. You can't add these differently than what you're already seeing on screen. These are points in time or events that happen to your lots that the system knows about, and the system can do things when those things happen. So in the simple example, if we have died at the top, the system knows when you enter a death of an animal. If you want something to happen, if you want a charge to be applied to that lot when that death happens, that is when automatic charge comes in. So we're going to go to automatic charges next. These are fully editable and customizable by you, by your operation, per location. And we're going to look at this one that's highlighted, second one that we just described. So, and if you look at the left label at the top of this, we have triggering event. That is the event, and we just described them. That is the event that triggers this automatic charge. So we're going to say died. That's what we're looking at. And the automatic charge is dead animal removal. And the $138 are the costs and the price that we want to apply every time an animal dies. Multiplied by head, that is true because we always want to, if 2 animals died, we want to bill $138 per head. If we only were going to be billed $138 for every visit from the dead animal removal company, we would not want to choose multiply by head, and then that would only apply a $138 charge even if 2 animals died. In the common case, we're going to have this checked. So for some of these other examples, for the top one, received is the event, shoot charge is the charge we want to apply, and we want to apply a $2 price but a $0 cost. What this is basically saying is every time I receive 1 head, I want to charge $2 to the customer. So price is the billing price, the price for custom fed cattle that we are going to bill for. Cost is the cost that it costs us. So the user that set this up in the test environment that we're using here didn't want to actually apply any cost to this. But odds are that there probably is a cost to this because of labor costs. So that's something you need to configure for your operation. Other things are rework, which every time, let's say you treat a sick animal, you have to run them through the chute, you want to bill $15. This is how you do that. Medicated rework charge $15. And then the bottom two are in pretty common yardage configuration where for the event of final shipment, we want to apply yardage to that group. Final shipment is the final load of the cattle. That's when we'll be able to get our closeouts. And we're going to bill 40 cents to our customer, and 30 cents going to apply that as your cost. That's your margin on yardage. And then end of month is another yardage event that we can have so that when the turn of the month happens, we can automatically apply yardage from the previous month, and then that's going to hit the books for 30 cents and 40 cents. So these are fully editable. You can change these at any point in time, and then all events that happen from now on would be using this new configuration. Or you can create new ones if you want to. You can choose the charge type that you want to apply. You can choose what you want to happen, or the event that is going to trigger it, and the cost and the price, and then you can create those.